Hey guys, David Miller here with GeminiBIM. Today's video introduces and demonstrates the Workset Prompt, which is a Revit plugin created by GeminiBIM. Once installed and activated, this add-in will prompt users to select an active workset when opening a model. You will also have the option to gray inactive worksets. Let's open up Revit and show you how to activate and use the Workset Prompt. After installing the GeminiBIM toolset, you should see a GeminiBIM tab on the ribbon. Navigate to the GeminiBIM tab. Here you will find the Workset Prompt on the far left and will be displayed as disabled by default, indicated by the red off icon. Select the icon to turn it on. The icon will turn green when activated. Once turned on, the Workset Prompt will prompt the users to select an active workset when opening a work shared model. Let's close out of Revit and reopen the file to see it in action. Here, we are prompted with a dialog box to select a workset. We also have the option to gray inactive worksets if desired. I will choose the piping workset with the gray inactive worksets selected. Notice now that the piping workset is the active workset and the other worksets have been grayed. The Workset Prompt utility will also default to the last selected workset when reopening the Revit model. I will close out of the model and reopen it. Notice now the Workset Prompt defaulted to the piping workset. To turn off or deactivate the add-in, navigate back to the GeminiBIM tab and select the Workset Prompt icon to disable. When turned off, the icon will be displayed red again.